Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited today. I am doing an unboxing of my new Paparazzi kit. I rejoined Paparazzi. I used to sell Paparazzi back 4 years ago before I started my my company, but right now my company's doing great on its own, and I really miss getting into direct sales. So I am rejoining Paparazzi. I have my box right here, and I'm going to show you what comes in. This is the $99 starter kit. It comes with pretty much everything you need, and it also comes with 35 pieces of jewelry. So I'm going to show you exactly what I got. So this is super exciting. I've really missed doing direct sales. It's so much fun. And Paparazzi is always amazing, always has new items that they bring out. So first they give you this little, and of course we've got to pop, you know, all the bubbles. All these don't really pop that good. Oh well. Okay. And then, oh my goodness, this is so heavy. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is, oh, it's heavy. The box, and inside of this box, that's where all of the, basically office things you're gonna need. I love this book. I used to use it all the time. This is where you can keep track of your parties, sales, everything. It has a lot of good information in here. So that comes in the box. What's here? Let's see. This is a little different from when I joined 4 years ago, so this is really exciting. Then this is a welcome. I guess it's your welcome packet. Oh, this is so cool. Look how nice this is. Everything is so nice. Oh, wow. Okay, this is so cool. All right, so this is, look at this. This is so neat. They did not have this when I joined last time. Okay, this is your quick start guide. I guess this basically tells you everything that you needed to get started, which a lot of info too is in our training group. And I'm in an amazing group on Facebook where they teach you pretty much everything you need to know. Very close-knit group of amazing people that help each other with this, so I'm super excited this time. And then there's another book here. Let's see, what is this one? Just filled with amazing information. Look how this is. I've joined a lot of companies, and I've got a lot of starter kits, and this is very, very well put together and beautiful. Okay. I'm not going to sit here and read everything for you. This one's invite. I guess this one teaches how to, you know, invite people to parties and different things. And, you know, there are so many ways you can do parties and sell Paparazzi. You can do it online. You can do it offline, which right now during the pandemic, I don't recommend too much offline. But you can do all of this online from your home. Or, you know, when things get better and you can do the in-house parties. That's also so much fun. Okay, so these books basically just give you a lot of information about the company, how to get started. This is amazing. I can't wait to go through and read all of this, but I'm not going to make you guys sit here while we do that. Okay, so that was the welcome kit. What else do we have in this little box? Oh my goodness. This is a lot for $99, I'm telling you. Okay, now these are hooks. I remember this from last time. If you want to make pegboards, different things like that, which I'm going to be doing. So if you guys, you know, follow me, I'll definitely be making different pegboards and different ways to set up the jewelry. it's amazing that they give you all that to get started with. Okay, and then this is like extra hooks and different things in case you need to repair any of the jewelry, which that really, it didn't happen a lot, but I'm sure it happens sometimes. Okay, look, and they give you some thank you cards for people, invitations, the compensation plan if you want to pass those out to have people join your team. And then the bling cards, I love these because you can punch every time somebody buys jewelry from you. And then I think it's the 13th item they'll get free. So every time they buy one, you just punch these out. It's pretty cool. I know my customers before really like that. And then we have here, okay, some information on, you know, if people want to join your team. And then we have like terms and conditions. Oh, this is really cool. Party checklist. So like when you're going to have a party, this gives you, you know, everything that you need to follow, you know, to help you guide yourself through your parties. Pretty awesome. Man, this is a lot of stuff, you guys. Running out of room. Oh, I love these bags. People love getting their jewelry. It's like Christmas every time they get jewelry in their little pink bags. Oh, and they give you a jewelry stand. So that way you can, you know, place your jewelry on there and then you can take pictures of it. Or you can, you know, do your live parties and show it. I love that. And then, let's see what else. Okay, and here is like a checklist from when you first join, stuff that you want to do, you know, to get started, which is get in touch with your sponsor, you know, kind of get a plan of action going. You know, so this is really cool. You definitely want to go through this. And then here is a welcome letter welcoming me to Paparazzi, which is really cool. And then this is, I guess you can put it on your car, something like that. That way, you know, lets people know that you are in Paparazzi. That's super cool. So that's pretty much everything you need to get started business-wise. And what other kind of goodies are in here? This is pretty awesome. Okay, then in here, welcome to the party. Okay, it says take 25% off of your first order. Personalized marketing materials. So if you want to get other marketing materials that you can get from Paparazzi, then you can get 25% off. That's amazing. And then here, I've heard a lot about the Fashion Fix. I don't really know everything about it, but this is information on the Fashion Fix, which I know it's like 4 amazing pieces together that people get each month. I know there's a waiting list for it, but so that's awesome. They give you information about that. And then, okay, look at this, guys. Look at this jewelry. Look at all this jewelry. Okay, I mean, honestly, the $99 just for the stuff to get started, the information, that's great. But then you also get 35 pieces of jewelry to get started. And I still have a lot of old inventory from before. And then also other stuff I've collected. I have a lot of friends that are in Paparazzi. I love to buy from them too because sometimes they have stuff I don't have. Or that I couldn't get on the website quick enough. So I still have a lot of old inventory. But this is amazing. This is one of, I know this is a very fast seller. It's a chain rope necklace, or like a scarf necklace. It's awesome. I'm not going to show all you guys the pieces, but you get necklaces. Ooh, that's purple. You get lots of necklaces, bracelets. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you can see it there. Look how pretty. And I'm going to tell you guys what. I know this is $5 jewelry, but the quality is amazing. No lead, no nickel. It's amazing jewelry. And if you're like me, I'm not somebody that goes and spends hundreds and hundreds of dollars on a ring. I'm just not, I can't do that. But I love to have something, you know, that adds a little sparkle when I'm going out or doing something. So this for me is perfect. Look at this, very pretty. So I'm gonna have a link down to my Facebook page. If you guys would like to follow my Facebook page, or even host a party, you can win some free jewelry. I will also link my I already said my Facebook, but I'm also going to put a link down to my website. And on the website, you can go and there's just so many options of things that you can buy. So, oh my goodness, I'm not even going to open this, but look at that. Just earrings, very pretty earrings, tons of them. More of this jewelry, just packets of jewelry. All of this for 99 bucks, guys. 99 bucks. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to give this one as a Christmas present. Mom would love it. Don't tell her. And then here's some rings. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, see. Value's awesome. It's amazing what you get. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you want any information, you can comment below, or I will have my Facebook links, my phone number. I'll put everything down in the description. That way you guys can contact me. And if you're looking for a way to make a little extra money or a lot of extra money, Paparazzi is awesome. I do speak English and I do speak Spanish. So if you guys are bilingual and want to get started, get with me and we'll get you going. So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.